aseni enum ne se Chema Wontumi ebekwa akotumu Mfie Addo no 20 years lawyers na ejinam edema Chema Wontumi ene enkofo nso pi ewo Ghana na wadi di asebnati esusu se we no enye justice exercise Chema Wontumi ya mfa charge ye illegal mining amfa amono charge ye de born no ne se ono no ewo ne concession ena wa makwan ama Henry Okum akọ concession no so akoye mining enti na ye de no akọ court yenye kai se didi ani ho ansie bia di ho mo de ba court ekire se Chema Wontumi sign the concession de ama Henry Okum se onkonkoye mining ewo na sase so it is only case na idi ye no nyina ano a nipa na dance ye judge ni gina so a odibu ya Chema Wontumi for no Henry Okum Henry Okum no so ne hwan ono ne obi a omokote no wa asase no so se odi adwumayefo akogu so omoye mining excavators ne niemo omokote ye nyina no oditum se ewo court se ono ene de ko asase na ono na sema odi begina court ne se ono Chema Wontumi ne ma ne kwan se onko bia kube en reclaim part of the land now already in phobia yes ejuma na all yes ejuma no Chema Wontumi sen ko beboa no ama na excavator ne neba one farm man wonti eno no ne Chema Wontumi yes and yes asase no baby omonye mining no onkoye mining wo no first kano enko finance kube na odua no ono na sema awoka no Chema Wontumi say oba me ho se okwa kodua kube no wa na be finance enti se proceed na ebe bi kube no mbeba no na ya che obi afa ne de etenye me na na ewo se me mouse ka de ko yesa kube na adwuma na okọ ene se nka betimi ama obi akọ yesa kube bia na ewo masase so enti kwa me asem no nyina ne se na akoye Chema Wontumi word se me ma okwan se kodua kube wa asase no so na ye land reclamation ni ebe free mabana ne ya che lembo ma okwan se koye mining wo masase ene se nka me amekọ akoye mining na mepo obi ama na ye mining na ya kanu ba ya che adanse bie ni we pie wo court say okum gold na okoye wo ni sika e bai no o ma Chema Wontumi 1+1 po ai pie mu e wo court adanse bia sa ai ni ho enti no na judge no wa kwanya say obeji Chema Wontumi asem na tum say o ma okum kwan say onkoye land reclamation name one ka say onkotu gold wo na ta because that dance ni ho ena judge no wa kwanya so say obe believe Henry Okum asema o ka say wodam se wa ama miska se me franco dua kubeni ntino ene na o ma me kwan se me nkoye mine na me fe no nko judge no ye na jin say obeji Henry Okum asema tum na Chema Wontumi de no de e after to oji tum a enye yi ena odi ajeli no eti kofu a omo kan na Chema Wontumi je for illegal mine na nsema omo kekai bi krampo meti ene so mo si an lawyer ndi apia kubi na wanye process and nation bi enti na judge no ajeli no what is ade na eno na ma waje yo se na nkrofo bi ni bia bia na ye mu bi ye because bia no na di bia sebleki a opeto ye fair to fact in say ba criminal prosecution Chema Wontumi say one fa lawyer mpo and somebody in that war state, to say, or don't want to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. And society, if you say, make us say, Nam say, judge, and I can say, then kind a cross examination beside Henry Okum and Sembia, Abianca society, and Jane and Anka best son. When I judge and I can't clearly say, no, or believe Henry Okum no Mokoche and say, oh, you're good, young prosecution and them. To that of Chema Wontumi enti dem pa pim ena nanka judge na beso sana aje kwa me asema mi bi sana pe no
na mamiwe ensem ba ko ha se mi bi na wo so ma tro se exclusive rights say ma mining concession woni wo kwan se wo dane ma obi anaka so obi enkotu hu bibi na enkotu agudie bibi said the bear or do better the free cost to be an abbey to sa impo reclamation no as a say unya no permission from the minister. Sasam a PM means and go for the Asamoka at say.
Kwame Sabe Pepe the TSA, your mount mining lease like any other lease. Won't mean transfer. Sali no emfa another person wa brekwa one kwaji ministerial approval. Kwame, it is not only mining lease. Meaning so will lease document aye de amawa. Ko kan hwe say wona ye de we lesi na ye de lease na ma no mra na ye de ache ni say wonni kwan say wa sign and I will transfer the ma obi wa brekwa won kwaji the consent of the background lease na ma. Kwame, ye standard provision all lease document. Lease document BI the amount be up on pay Kwame. Momumfa lease document BI or na shame say any requirement to say one eye the amount of person was sign them out be the consent of Nipacrona or lease wana. A standard legal requirement. Enuntina the amount mining lease. Embrano just said the wound to me assign the mining lease no muddy papa pro. Wabrekwa onkwaji ministerial approval. Enu de obi agitum. Na Kwame ne tema wuntumi enyintum ena ne lawyer so na ye gina so ne say. Who can say assignment? Kwame assignment ne transfer of interest. So what transfer of interest I de ma wono e de ma. And the transfer no so no lawyer behind him said the standard requirement that they say obey document, a formal document that a friend assignment and I'll be prepared. Na munyina must sign na wa community or the document na concern say concession na o de ma me no me se me pese me dane ma kwa me enti no document aya ye ni enti no me beji approval ye fire no keke enka say wa sign o mining lease dey ama obi enti right from day one argument ani ye ni so say tema wuntumi assign interest a wo de ma no e wo mining lease num de ama na okuma. Document being the crown and document say assigning lease they are mining interest they are man BBS I know. And internet then now I can say why assigning without ministerial approval. The other way that a big primo court no I had taught to us no a dealing in. Dealing in no say one my client say obin koye mining what require one kwaji ministerial approval. The man to me say one fan asase say ama okum say on koye mining one asase. Nemo meba land reclamation and mining activity. And even though we hear so about permit, Untimi can say not say the background koye mining. But that is the whole argument. Argument no say the mount to me ama Henry Okum Quine say on koye mining. E was asking so I break one koji AF approval. Untimi say man can say on koye mining. Nemo me can say on could be a mining activity. And you convict to me say, well, my client say, inquire mining when I start so. No, say, my client will be inquire mining. No evidence to be anywhere, say, my wound to me, they can't inquire mining. Say, no need justice there. Yes, to say that is not justice. But court to say that is justice. Or more mobile say, say, my wound to me, or that I'm taking pain. Yenano, dear, the NAPO to me, to mobile so that I'm saying, that is definition of justice for each other. Obia on also immediately. But the bottom line is a judge in where we need to man. Only they were convicted based on Sendiana Ohunu. The Akane said, I won't know a Quenya say, Obeka appeal, Naya Kutini appeal for Nonso Obeka.
Council, Mammy Rabi, one say, so a judgment by na Baba Musa, judgment no. Adana the one bontina and yes certified true copy of the court. Why?
Kwame Enu me say to me yeah no. What it tells you they say binim the pakra or Sunday copy no. Kwame Enu to me yeah no. But ideally no and can certify true copy na a be free court no na and then a official judgment. That's the way that say how Ebini na ma bonti enye certify Kwame Enu Jempacho and payment again.
Mami Ray, so for judgment na page 28. Questions bi ni ade bi a wo tie wono no a wo say I funded the reclamation works using proceeds from my mining operations on the concession, and A1 was fully aware of this fact. Eye nipa obegina da kama no odi adanse ne say okum ne say reclamation okoye na asase so said e wuntumi de man no no wode part baby a wuntumi man kwan se onye no emusika ne bi e na ode kwaye no se na yewa wuntumi eye aware saade ya judgment capture yi eto say
Kwame no na make as a show and the amount fonti ase ne se Henry okum no oye hwan Henry okum ne obi a yakochi no wasate no so a oye mine na enkomo omoye anti galamsey fo nyina no ehwe de pute ye be prosecute no se wakoye mine wa breko a oni mining license also koye mine what you must say na a day before I be court ni ete say oni attorney general fo ano akoye enkriteye bia afidi ye prosecute no na mom obeye prosecution witness enu nti so we a judgment no nyina no na dance ya okodi ye no e na ye gina so a ye de ageli chema wuntumi o enti kwa me die nti assurance be no de ma prosecuted na nti a ye ja no say ye prosecute no na mom omo be use na as a prosecution witness no bi a ye be prosecute no say wakoye illegal mining na ye ja no say ye prosecute ko dia dance ti a chema wuntumi no e de na ye expect so be ba be ka wo Asamo no eka o need dance ni bia obejina obe collaborate na asante te ma wuntumi kan se me ko bia ko be na obeboa me wamboa me ti no na onim se ni ye mining na me dia finances ade no te ma wuntumi se na me makotua dollars bebre akwaje mining concession me be ye large scale mining na se mi probi amana kwa akotu agudie na wanya ska na nka mete wo no otu sa sika na fa bi akube wo masate sebi enyansa aben ne wo mu se nko ba ye no se mi kotu agudie na eye gold no na bosumi bia na wotwi bia me komatema wonti bi sei e na oje ye na wo ka de a e de na kwa me ko bia be ka se tema wonti mi ne ma ne fine na nasema o kan se ye nyina agi atum se me ko bia kubi Nimbu menam se wa mabisika mwa mientino. Eni ena me ye gold mine and ako finance kubedo na we ya we. Enunti na ye jeli tema wuntumi dia. Tema wuntumi so akaza asem na wo kano entisa. Judge ni ti obilibu ni ya okumu kano ombilibi tema wuntumi. Enti na kwa me ka say apart from say sa asem we Henry okumu kokaye no. Adansie bia ni babia bi mu. Ayi jina so idea jeli tema wuntumi o. Adansie biye ni baby apart from okum na dansie a obedi ye no okum isi obi onu na nkaye ko prosecute no for illegal mining ena say de ye ja no say onu na o ye illegal mining no ye prosecute no nembo ni a concession no ye ni de ane ne be prosecute no kwame asem no nyina ni tietia na asem a o kanu mra kwanso no de free bibi collaboration ne say enko ka we wie ye no na nkono susu aba obi aba abedi adansi afua na asem na awoka family collaboration dia ni bebia eye Henry okun word against tema wuntumi word as to why a judge no believe Henry okun na unbelieve tema wuntumi no judge no enenim ena mra kwanso mra ma ne kwan say ono na wa kwanya say obe believe tema wuntumi ana say obe believe Henry okun o say Henry okun no ginu die ena wajeli chema wuntumi enti saa asama ebinum ka say saa semu ya okaye no nanka wo say andi apia ku bibisa bisa no sembebre no kwame obia oye saa bia no wabo ne sempo say judge no blame o person blame andi apia ku bi no no so epese ofua saa dia but dem bra kwans no we saa na wanye fair to andi apia ku bi wanye fair to fact wanye fair to chema wuntumi because judge no wo every right to say Obilibu Henry Okum, and I also believe Chema wuntumi. Nankeba criminal prosecution there. The law, no, the burden is on the state, and I said the prosecution. If the prosecution is Henry Okum Kaya, and yet then I no to say a daily Chema. But Asante Americano, judge no mbra kwan so no, or say you need direct evidence. You need documentary evidence, but obejina circumstantial evidence. So they are jeli chema wontumi. Sa na si pepepe. And the kwame ni asi no.
Ayi council say no mo ko appeal. Sa na yatie na ehun hye te say.
O kwame appeal no de. O ka say ye be kwa. Chema wontumi ene betimi akwa appeal. Na o ko appeal a lawyer bia o person of fadu bia no betimi afa. Enti betimi aba say obekasa atachia enya appeal no emano. Obetimi aka say and the appeal could be enya appeal no emano. Obetimi so kra mpo aka say okofa lawyer foforo kra no ya appeal no e de ama. Na oma ba lawyer no instructions are. Eni mani mu ye no lawyer no be notice of appeal. Now ye notice of appeal no we are what sign the application for bail pending appeal to Akobomo na ya ready e be pre e dey 3 months so aba.
Mami Musa appeal no ebre ben na obetimi aye appeal.
O e free sa time ya kosi bosume ebiensa. Bosume ebiensa no kra mpo sign so a o akwanya so obetimi sa assign akobiem akos record so sign man extension of time kosi bosume ya. Enti a free time ya ko ya de o akwanya se obetimi ata se otu anamon se okọ appeal.
Tiba jo samsumi sia ne so na wantumi ankwa according to ye limitations act no said the act ni che no ontumi nkwa appeal bi mu na
bosumi sia no so de na wantu anamon bia de na che said you are right to go on appeal no unless you say bia bibi pa wo hwa obia ejitum sa de we de eno na de ya kwasia every wo no wo side any default from side na see any betimi ama bibia say senya sa pa dia earlier you are right to go on appeal no after sa bosumi sia no de earlier na asia
na wo ade bi and so on page 29 of the judgment na court deliver and say sansem no na okumu ka say I was the part of the land no etu agudie and we dey reclaim here no was ebra na womoye cross examination no counsel for the defense no we musa ho asem asem no was judge no so ejina asem so pa and not say
kwame ene na make asem ma tese lawyer bi enuanom lawyer for no bi ejina sa judge asem a o kai so aka say and the appeal could be nanye na juma ye nti na chema wontumi ye de na koto mete sa asem na na me ra ko e je say agito obi a wabo ni timpo so ye lawyer o pese ogu and the appeal could be animate ana say o pese o justify judge na sema o kanu ne be kata ba me de nti na me kata wo hwe narrative ya me de ama wan finance me enti no me so me koye gold me ko two gold o asase no so e the finance ubena mi ko bia no wa Kwaku Annan wunim fa me sa nipa bienu yi asemi judge no wa kwanya say ye criminal prosecution na ye ya emra wo Ghana no burden no hwan ho ne wo emra wo Ghana kire say burden of proving say the ma wontumi ema hamioku kwan say onkotu gold wona asase so that burden no is squarely on the prosecution. And it is a handyokum na no keke or the casa same way. Na collaboration beyond free baby ma ame fuasa same way or kaye no exo. I don't see bia by way of investigation political koye am fuasa same way or kaye no soa. A yet then a judge no yes say. That's a man handyokum kaye we no. Senka the appear could be called to be said no same dia and kebe to sa judge na me kwa me meeting na me court room every day ana me di asem na tie no me imagine a metimi aka kire wa no pay say asem biye ni wa na kan dia pia ku bi bisa ye fa and you kuma asem we ya o kan ye ho a na ke be sa judge na tin bi ni ma de ko dia ntia judge no de sa ho no be she mu de but ono na ye judge a o wa kwanya say otchere ne judgment senya ohunu ene mbra kwan so ena wajaje me de mintimi mfoto no nembom saa ehọ na ehye hɔ a ebinu mu gyina so akase they be and the appear could be bisa and sembi by way of probing feda nke be so judge na hwe ba me catch o say enye no credit biarata enye no credit say all along no argument no na ye say and we okum we no oyobi a ono na nke wo say ye prosecute no for illegal mining adekodi anti a ye ja no say ye prosecute ono na o ye illegal mining nemum ye be prosecute ni pakro no a ode the concession no man say onko bia kobenu kwa me prosecute no kwa na betimi a kire Ghana po e na adekodi anti a judge no so ye na agin say andi mpo ambisa no na kwa me na me di kan akase emre wo Ghana senka ye di chema wuntumi call court no say me mfa lawyer because me this guy me dey be fa lawyer abai no say o ma me lawyer mpo me say me mpa bed bia ni wa e free chema wuntumi wo so no na e wo say obi say bisa Henry Okun atem ansa na ya akaka court na ka say onje ni chema wuntumi emre wo Ghana no ye clear say the burden of proof beyond reasonable doubt no is squarely on the state and the ministry because and the appear could be ambisa and we okum say a whole chim na yen tiase na yen kwete de ate e ya ba say wan asem na judge no e bilivo judge no say obilivo and we okum enti na asem be na judge no ko pese otie e di free Henry Okum ano a enke be sesa na agin say dem a wuntumi anka say onkoye mane nemum ogitum say onko bia kubi judge no say onje chema wuntumi asem say fa kubi no entum because ono ni susiyem no eye afterthought na ja ono say chema wuntumi asem a waka bia na ye afterthought ye say actually na all drains ade no ho de eye den waka say kan lawyer probisa and we Okum asem we na nke be ma ye jai chema wuntumi ba me nyesa na emrai wo Ghana ne dia
trio de MPP ko aka enu ni ade pe wo de ma toto ho a etisen
kwa me de me kasa se lawyer na nkasa se politician na mintimi njintum se judge no judgment no a ode bae no eye criminal persecution judge no wa man judgment akwanye wo ho no eye appeal a wuntumi ebetimi akọ and the politicians no there omo from the political perspective no omo hu no say e bia ni anka illegal man asem na ye ka dia de anka wo say prosecute no Henry Okum na enye chema wuntumi enti no say ye ya chema wuntumi di na asem hare so de na kotem no de na say criminal persecution and no prosecution eno no ye political statement ba me no kasa no pay say lawyer de kwame me hu ni say judge no wa man judgment we and sembia o person can justify the judgment no wa justify ono wa we na juma that chapter no I close the next chapter no and say the mount me be kwa appeal na sebi anyansa for me ensa omo ye judge the court of appeal no omo so atena asem no so na ya hwe ya omo so omo beka
amena wase no pay
kwa me nyame nkamo
na eno so wo sa de ba court na eno no net say eno ni hello
yeah kwa me yeah
eno wo mo de chama wuntumi ba court yes tano ni forest eno so what some to say
yes that case you know tano ni forest airport that case no so airport na enu ananke was a case Net2 so but lawyers for the mount me the nkata akodom court no and the case no ambaso enra and the case no has been adjourned
obi amisa say ada no man consolidate cases ni na esese no say be sama boy canonime de no man consolidate ni na ambomu
kwa me o say nipa no kasa fabino betimi aka say yamu consolidate ya nanka ebeboa because accused person na ni nyina akoye mining related cases here enkai bia ni nyina popue judge ba ko ha ba kwa me no kra wo me say who say a back criminal prosecution article 88 of the constitution no that to me no the ama attorney general the attorney general na o decide say fa me the charges be ni nsape ana 9 ana 8 ana that do be bebo adanse for me from no me premier nsape case we me the be court 1 case we me the be court 5 that to me no was state no a prosecution no attorney general na that to me no one in them attorney general do kokota wona we defense counsel no kwame le magistrate lawyers be kasenanka wo say apply for consolidation a civil case ubetimi apply for consolidation but a criminal case a state no they decide court to trial person or the case no ko file the charge. Now, if I charges no, I won't as a lawyer for accused person who didn't say young consolidate case, no, I was sending a yarn, I was several trial. And in the state, in the was a bit almost say, at the end, case back one, a year related to mining, the same time I want to mean I contaminate. Young funny in a boom cocoa tobacco, I teach more. I attorney general and a bit me is as I'm not coming.
Oh, okay. And as we speak, well, we are instruction there from Shama to me say, Munya P. Manu.
Kwame appeal, maybe an SN medical cano, Sabrino, the GD is such a mount to me, the on instratea, Ebia Ogusua or instrate lawyers are a bay appeal na man. But no pay a minute, said yes, but the cassette did say, law firm win at a mount to me, I instruct of Munya appeal na. Kwame na me minister information.
Mamena was no pay mira.
Kwame nyamen kamu.
Wani mani ahinima.
Wani mapa anya ahinima.
We that's it. Bye bye, counsel. Lawyer Ohini Jan. A private legal practitioner, counsel team member for Iracha Wontumi.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.